Hey, hello guys, DevALMO here on my side of the channel. Please like, comment and subscribe. And today let's learn how we can create a fast monorepo project in our React. We are gonna do this by using this tool that will facilitate everything. It's called TurboRepo. We just enter its site, turborepo.org, and we can start building. We are gonna create a new project, monorepo, and this code right here, I'm gonna copy that. We are gonna open a folder in Windows, and we are gonna open in Terminal. We can see here that we are in that folder, and we are gonna paste the code that we copied from the site. We press enter. Now we are naming it. I will name YouTube dash turborepo. Pressing enter. Now we are gonna choose the package manager we want to use. In my case, I like to use Yarn, and I'm gonna press enter. This might take time, so I'm gonna be back when this is finished. Something else was added in here that we needed to fill it in, so I'm gonna close that section. I'm gonna open the folder that we just put the project in. In here, I'm gonna select open with code, so we can see this with Visual Studio Code. In here, we can already see the project running. We are gonna open the terminal. This is right here, and we are gonna press yarn dv, press enter. We can see right here that it has two links ready. Is the localhost 3000 and 3001. I'm gonna press Ctrl and click here, and Ctrl again and press the other one. Now we can see that our project is running. Let me explain how this is working. In the package folder, we have the UI. Everything that is here will be a component that will be shared by all applications. In app, there will be our application itself. So for example, let's create a component. We are gonna create title dash index dot tsx. Inside here we will have a function export const. This will be named title. This will be equal a function, and in here we have the return. The return will have a React fragment and a h1 element. In here it will have DevALMO YouTube channel. We can save this. By saving, it will organize itself. And we can already see that this is running. Well, first, so we can have in our dock and web application, we have to export this. This is already being exported, but we have to export for the monorepo. we are gonna go to index in the UI folder. In here we are gonna export everything from dash title. We can save this, and now we can already call this function in our application. So to do that, we are gonna go into one of our application. In this case, I'm selecting docs. In here we are gonna go to pages, and here we have index. This index, I'm gonna add it here, title. Please realize that when I entered it here, it also imported it, so it is already in our application. Now we can see in our application docs, here we have it. We can do everything like a normal website. We can add the project where we want it. Now we see that the title is on top. We can also add it to web. Please do realize that it's not in web. Why it is not in here yet? We are gonna open web, click in pages, and here we have index, and inside the index we also have to use the component. We can import it right here. Now it is imported, and now it will work. So this is the way that we'll do. If we want, of course, we can make the component more complex, like we can add here a style, and it will receive a color blue. Oops, I forgot here to add the dot at the equal color blue. We can add it more, like border bottom. It will have 1 pixel, solid, and it will be green. By saving that and going to our application, we can see that it's running. We have blue with green, and we also change it in here. So by changing only one component, we affected 2 applications. This is why we use monorepo. I hope that this got clear to you, and you can do a lot of more complex projects using this. If you like my content, show your support, like, comment and subscribe. I also have a Patreon. Add me in social media, the links to it are available in the description. The code we just did will be in the comments. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.